Hey everyone, my name is Anirv Serene and I have been a miles and points traveler for the last 16 years. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Chase Ultimate Rewards and get flights on Lufthansa at very minimal costs. Step number one, go into Chase and go into Ultimate Rewards. Connect your United account if you haven't already done so. Once you have connected your account, go to united.com and look for the flights that you need. So for example, in this case, we'll go JFK to Frankfurt, JFK to Munich, Chicago to Frankfurt, and look at a few different combinations. I personally like to use my miles for business and first class travel, so those are the two columns that I'm going to look under. Once you have those flights that you need, go ahead to Chase Ultimate Rewards, transfer those miles from Chase back over to United. This should take a few seconds, and if not, just log out, log back into United, and you should see those right there. Once you select your flights, you can continue with the checkout process and get your flights on Lufthansa in business and first class. To learn more, visit aserene.com.